Hello everyone. This is my PA of the day of the trade which Josh shared on the conference. So basically I'm already out on the trade and why I want to post this on the PA. Part of the reason why I want to post it on the PA because so on the 15th they're doing a P and then I'm waiting for the secondary. I guess my timing when I got out was not very good. But the reason I got out too is because of the volume of that. When the news came out, which is the Europe news came out, which is the volume on the 5 minute entries, got me worried a bit, and that's how I got out the before the next candle come in and start shoot back up. And I was thinking, should I buy again? Should I buy again? If I get on here, yeah, sorry, I get on here to here. Well, well, I think the part is that I really got scared. So when I saw this on the 15 minutes on it, overall it's all in the 1 hour of the time frame. And we're going for the buy and came in to here. And this is whole area to the buyer territory too, and to come here to react. What I done is I would have got in here before. I would love to get in here before all this thing happened, and I got into an area which is a whole area, which is my idea was going for the hole somewhere holding. Um, and let me see. My ideas was this going to break and come here and hold, but then I saw this break to come here and then also hold from here. I kind of didn't like the price that where I'm at. And then yeah, I kind of little distraction too, but it's okay. As long next time I could able to get a price from here to there. And yeah, I'm learning. One part is that to anticipate, but the point is sometimes I also had to train myself the timing if it's right to go back there. So at this so at this point I'm looking back, this is a P sign, and I'm also training myself the S sign from here. So it's a good area to buy, but then I felt got out too early, didn't give a chance. Um, Maybe they don't know how to manage this first, but I should stick with it, my execution first from there. Stop loss. Of course, it's gotta be active from here to over here. Interesting. So it's going back down. Let's see if we're able to make a secondary from the P. But at that point, I say I'm already done of the trade of the day because the hours that I'm spending on is getting too long. So yeah, I will just let that play out. I got it early, so just let it play out. Definitely didn't get the profit in it, but I would like to let it play out, and that's it. And from there, that's my PA. Um, how do I say this? The mistake that I got in, Yeah, that's right. The mistake I got in is that I'm looking for a buy. I would have done a little bit better of the price to come here to shoot back up, and the stop loss should be here. Yeah, but ideally I want to do here to over here, and yeah, it'll be great. But uh, in the way I see on a 15, let me see the time frame. That would be the best to get in here to get the profit to. But nowadays I'm training myself more like a 1 day, like one trade, and see, and I want to observe as much as possible that how this trades go. um I think there's one thing that what I'm doing right now is also the timing that I see. What mistake I did is the timing. The time I've been holding this, but instead I was not feeling it at the same time, and I should let it play out with the first and second, like a PNS again, primary and secondary. But usually we do it at the higher time frame. But then from here, yeah, I definitely need to time this better. I would have done a trade even better from this area where I about to feel it. Um, it's weird. I just got up because this giant value came out, but instead like really before I go on a conference, I should do preparation in 30 minutes, a better analysis why I need to buy, because the whole move is going down. This whole move right here is going down, but it makes sense how Josh make it to buy. Yeah, I mentally not prepared for now, but I guess it reacting more. I wish I want to buy more from there, but I'm just gonna let it play out from there. And this is just my PA of the day. I would have done better of here to buy. Um, what else I could do? What I could done better more is like read this whole thing again on the 15th and understand what's going on here on the P. But yeah, today what I feeling of my feeling of the day wasn't feeling on trading. Today I don't know why. Just a feeling. But I did meditation to get back in here and do a trade. I feel a little bit more better. Overall, what I did good is just not doing another trade again. If I get out, I get out. And just to recap what I'm doing wrong, and that's all. Yeah. Do you have any feedback or any I appreciate? I would love to take a look of it, and also to correct my correction of my trade. Thank you. Thank you for watching. For my PA for Eurjpy on the January 17, 2023.